party time. Yeah, the deadliest play. David Pryor presents. Teddy Pryor no mukinnyi w'imena. Teddy Pryor akarimo cyane. Night Close Production. Nuko tuyitangiye filime izina ritarageraho. Tangira mwibuka hari filime yitwa Kabutura. Iyi ni Kabutura kabiri. The Deadliest Prey. Ya yindi yitwaga Deadly Prey. Iyi ni Deadliest. David Campbell akarimo cyane. Igisaza cyari ikideband niko babyita mu kiyakuza. Freeze Matthews. Mwibuke Teddy Pryor niwe mukinnyi nanone. Tara Sanford. Filime tanchi. Mukino mubi cyane. Cat Tomini. Raka. Art James. Karimo cyane. Hello, chick. Bakinnyi bone benshi dutangira ukwitegura mu buryo bwa gisirikare. Team James Steve McClinton ndetse na team mugenzi wabo. Kwitegura biracyajya mbere. Filime yiswe Deadly Prey. Nukuvuga ngo iki ni igice cya kabiri cya Deadly Prey. Imwe mukunda kwita mbutura. Iyi ni uyu mwaka 2010 mbutura ngiyi kabiri. Associate producer ni Alson Moss. Bafatanije mu kugategura filime kacu. Yeah. Deadly Prey. Deadly Prey. David Pryor. Mwembateguye neza cyane. David A. Pryor. Executive producer nawe ashoyemo amafaranga. Nyiri gukina umukino w'imena. Fabio Soldani. Executive producer. David A. Pryor yarayiyoboye yarangije anayandika. David Pryor ubwo wayikinnye wawo ndi witwa Mbutura. Kuzimbeze ndimwe kwitangira imyitozo yari gikomeje imyitozo ya gisirikare bamwe bitwa mercenaries zangabo zigurwa. Ngabo zigurwa ziritoroza kandi kwitoza kwazo no kwitoreza ku bantu. Mercenaries. Ubu ntabwo bakitwa aba mercenary.
There he is.
Nguri hakurya. Gobora muri kurira hari rukatabara ubuzima bwe. Abahigi nabo baje nk'abahigi. Banyaguhigwa n'akahize ya kuntoryi mu minsi ishize bigeze kumubika ngo ya kuntoryi yaciyeho. Barimo barahiga umuturage. Ubu bisigaye ibigo bagenda bikiyandikisha ngo nibigo bishinzwe security. Bimwe na rimwe kera bitaga ba mercenaries, ingabo zigurwa zitemewe. Uko umva Black Waters muri Amerika ubu bajya kurinda mu bihugu byagiye kurwana nko muri Iraq n'ahandi nkaho. Ntago bakiri mercenaries. Ni ibigo bishinzwe imitekano bijya kurinda ahantu hose akomeye. Gusa kuri inshuro abane ba mercenaries, ba mercenary barimo barirukanka umuturage. Ngabo yarananiwe toragura umuntu mu muhanda bakajya kumwitorezaho. Nzira agenda. Nakubwiye nkuko uzirimwe yatangiye. Iyi ni Mbutura igice cya kabiri.
Let's get this over with. Let's kill this son of a bitch.
Reka tuve mu bintu by'intuza byo kwicuriya Moscow. Hari umusaza wabyumvisha asa naho agariye agatima ka kimuntu nkuko uzi umuntu ukuze. Ntabwo apfa kugenda nkuko abandi bose bashaka ndetse napfa kugenda bya gisore. Yagoriyemo agatima asa nk'usigara inyuma. Isore ziriruka zijya imbere. Reba bakuri bwa bw'upfinigiri bwa yakuntoryi. Reba abandi uko bangana do. Reba umugabo. Sanga inzira muze yagenda agasigara inyuma. Gabo ni bikuru.
Twist my ankle.
Hey, baiki. Sasu. Kagabo hano kadakira.
Boss. Not anymore. Let's move.
Yarumwe muri twe ntabwo yarakira umwe muri twe. Umutego w'ingurube wamuciye akaguru barangije baranamuhitana.
This exercise is over.
Imyitozo irarangiye.
It's not over yet, Hogan.
Mwibuke neza umusaza Campbell, mwibuke mu gice cya mbere.
Hogan, you're out of here in 30 minutes. Get your shit together.
Iminota 30 ugomba kuba usohotse hano.
So.
Iki gisaza kibuke neza nicyo yitwaga Kano Hogan. Ni nawe wayoboraga ikigo gishinzwe kuba cyakwitoza bajya mu bintu byo kuba bahiga abaturage. Amaze gusaza imyaka yari maze kwicuma. Muzenguye nibwo akiva muri gereza. Kuva cyagembo turamufata mwibuka yaramubwiye ngo niyirukanka namwihorera. Yaragiye maze ajya muri gereza nibwo akivayo. Kano.
Look pretty good for having spent 25 years in that place.
Nagatangaza kumara imyaka 25 hari.
The training's already started just like you told me to do. I was hoping that.
Hey! Stop talking and start driving, bitch.
Wait! Rekera kuvuga maze utwara imodoka waki. Aramutuka mu cyongereza kire kigambo ni kibi cyane. Muze yaramwedekera kuvuga maze wewe aramutuka.
What do you want, baby?
I want you to be up.
Ndagira ngo kanguke hano harakana gatoya. Kabwiraga umugabo kata I want you to be up.
I'll be out in a second.
Saba mukanya ndaje.
Coffee.
Nende ubukoraga kawa njye kumena ibishingwe. Mwibuka mu gice cya mbere Teddy Pryor film itangira bamuhagurutsa ngo ajye kumena ibishingwe bw'ibiga byamushimuse bikajya kumwitorezaho. Iyi ni imbutura igice cya kabiri. Umugabo iminsi iricuma. Iminsi irahita maze igahitana abaye urebye Didi umutwe kuntu wabaye usigaye ufobagana nk'igihaza. Kubera imyaka. Kumbe Colonel yamaze kuva muri gereza mu myaka 25 niyo mpamvu yushinze ikigo umuhanga ashinga ikigo kizamara imyaka ni uko mwumva uyanga ngo yashinze the one. Baramutse nyuma yo gupfusha wa mugore we wishwe mu gice cya mbere.
What do you want me to do first? Take out the car?
Mbanze ngora iki? Mbanze mborose ngora iki?
Both. In that order, please.
Mene bishingwe mbanze mborose undati byose. Icyo wumva wahitamo nicyo watubwira hanyuma natwe tubwira icyo tugukorera. Ariko bishingwe biruzuye hariya. Mugabo mwiza. Bari ndaje mukanya bafite akana yaragiye ashaka undi mudamu n'umugabo bayeho neza. Kumbe Colonel yaragiye ashinga umushinga imyaka 25 afunzwe. Umushinga we wari ukiriho. Niyo uko wumva yanga ngo yagiye Burayi de wana nayisiga arongeraga kwikiriho. Bangongoro bakora bamwiba amanywa nijoro bafite ibindi bihigi byitwa bya Jomporo. Sha.
Do you want to inspect the troops, Colonel?
There's only one thing I want. You know what it is.
It's happening as we speak.
It better be.
Hari ikindi wifuza Colonel umva ikintu cyari cyo cyose nifuza murakizi kandi muzi cyari cyo.
Good. I've been waiting a long time for this.
Nari negereje igihe kirekire ngo nzabone ibi ngibi. Umuswa ndamushaka wanshirishije muri gereza. Umushwa mushirishije muri gereza nguyu Teddy Pryor. Teddy Pryor. Inchori yarasohokanye n'ibirenge. Agiye kumena ibishingwe afite umwaka mu bishingwe shaho. Umwaka we wibera mu bishingwe.
Yeah, sure. Just go straight ahead. Go right at the.
Komeza imbere nugeraho hari abadahambana kati bumoso. Baza kwibuka imodoka yigeze kujya kumena ibishingwe umunsi umwe. Kayiza nibyo gusa.
Sorry, just go underneath the overpass and you'll see it. Can't miss it.
Umva nyihanganira rwose komeza nkubwiye hano. Imodoka iragenda yibashijeho. Kera yajya kumena ibishingwe. Ep2. Azize ibishingwe.
Yeah, me too. I'm on my third already. This game sucks.
Uko mubizi nta muryango ubura banajywa. Hano hari ibyana byigize byanajywa. Ibyishimo ni bwose biri kuri Derinet.
I'm right there with you, man, but I don't know what it's gonna be. We've already pretty much played everything out there.
Yeah. Mwana za game zo kuri computer kunya uzazibona zihagije ntabwo sizi nicyo gukora ntabwo bipfa gushoboka. Bari barashakisha za game ziba ziri live. Nkuko mva ngo bagiye kureba umupira wa Manchester na Chelsea biba biri live.
Be awesome.
Aba nabo za game barashaka ziri live. Kwishyura $2 duke ubundi ukirebera umukino.
You know it.
True that.
Komeza dushakishe turebe utanga abandi ku mukino. Mubandi bati cyane. Ntabwo bigarukiye aho. Hari umukino ugiye gutangira. Daily Play. Ugiye kuba umuhigo we. Go! Araka. Campbell. Hogan.
You remember me?
Uranyibuka?
Guess I'm kinda hard to forget.
Maze igihe kirekire.
I spent 27 years in a hellhole.
Imyaka 27 ni hellhole mu mwobo w'ukuzimu. Kubera wowe. 27 years in hellhole.
Tell me this is some kind of joke.
27 years.
Myaka 27.
It's made you into some kind of hero. Damn hero left me out there to die.
Wumvisha ko uri intwari wantumye njya hariya kugira ngo mpfire.
Guess what? I ain't dead.
ntabwo napfuye dead.
Now it's time to get even.
Ndagarutse ngarukanye bya bindi.
Now,
Noneho
the whole world's gonna see it.
isi
It's
yose
really the best.
isi yose igiye kureba ninde ntwari hagati yanjye nawe. Wigeze intwari uramfungiye.
Easy, Hogan.
Hogan. Va muri ibi bintu.
Run.
Neki.
You gotta be kidding me.
Ugomba kuba uri mu mikino.
Run.
Irukanga.
I'm gonna kill all of you.
Nzabica mwese.
One.
Buri wese.
And you,
Wow.
I'm saving for last.
Nzikuza. I'm saving for the last.
This time.
Kuri inshuro.
Now you run, you son of a bitch.
Irukanga aramutuka. Aramutuka. Arabwiye ngo araza kubica umwe ku rundi. Uyu ni wari bwikuza.
Now go after him. Just remember,
Mukurikire.
no one kills him but me.
Atagira umwica kereka jewe. Byo mukora byose. Rakai. Ngabo ni mubi. Tekera kuzinduka mu gitondo. Uri kumwe n'umuryango wawe unezerewe. Abandi bakazinduka bakugira umuhigo. Deadly pray. Pray ni igihigwa. Hari pray eshatu. Hari pray y'igihigwa. Hari pray yo gusenga. Hari na play y'umukino. Play. Hari pray no guhiga. Pray yo gusenga. Play y'umukino. Uyu ni umukino akaba ari n'umuhigo. Umuhigo mubi cyane nguyu. Deadly. Akuye ngo ni mubi cyane kurenza uwa mbere. Deadliest ni nako filime yiswe The Deadliest Play. Pray. Ya indi yitwaga Deadly Prey. Uyu ni Deadliest. Kumbe iterambere ryaraje imyaka 25 kiriya gisaza gifunzwe ubu bigeze kuri internet. Cyavuye muri gereza kitazi internet. Kamera bazimanitse hose. Turore. Baramuhiga. Size umugore asigaba umwana.
Everything ready?
Ready to go online, sir.
Let the show begin.
Kimye yare kwitangire.
Now they're gonna see. They're all gonna see.
Si yose irabibona.
You die, understand?
Rasakuza urapfa. Urumva?
Now what's going on here?
Iki kijya mbere hano.
What's Hogan up to?
Ndi mubi.
I think it's just revenge.
No kwihorera.
Revenge?
Kwihorera.
Yeah,
Yego.
I think so.
Niko mbikeka.
You gotta be kidding me.
Uri murabeshya.
What's with the cameras?
He's
Camera?
all over the internet.
Babishize kuri internet ahantu
Go
hose.
to watch.
Isi yose irimo irabireba ibyo turimo.
Please.
Ndakwinginze.
Please don't kill me.
Winyica.
Just needed the job.
Ndimo nyibona akazi.
You needed the job.
washakaga akazi songo
Should have filed for unemployment.
wari kujya kwandika ibyandiko bisaba akazi mira
Having any luck?
Not me.
niwo bikuhagaritse oya sigewe kumbe kuri interinete
I think I might have found something.
Yeah?
What do you got? I just sent you guys the URL. Do either of you remember a guy named Mike Danton?
muri ku muntu witwaga Mike
Are
Danton
they based Rambo on or something?
ntameze nka
It was
Rambura
Terminator.
oya agomba kuba ari Terminator
Remember my dad talking about this guy
ngewe data yajyaga muvuga uyu mugabo ni mukurangana na se wa nkongoro
in some sort of weird military training exercise where people were
bamwitoreje
hunting
ibintu
other.
bya gisirikare ibintu bya kera agenda byibuka
Right.
nibyo kabisa
He killed like everybody.
yesha hafi ya bose
Like Terminator 2 then?
ni
Or?
Terminator kabiri
No,
se
man.
cyangwa
This was
What?
for real, dude.
oya ibi ngibi byari ibya nyabyo
Pretty much,
ntabwo ari
yeah.
ibya filime zaba babikinaga
So crazy. I mean, it is crazy, but it actually happened.
we ni ubusazi ariko byarabaye ibi bintu ngiye nkubwira sasa uyu mugabo niwe wagarutse murebe neza funga neza kumbe game irimo irajya mbere game yo kwicana
Real?
bari kuri
Well, it might
internet
not be, but it might, so take a look at it until we find out.
True that.
You're the great and powerful Mike Danton.
we bita Michael Danton harya
You've got to be kidding me, right? Right? You sure don't look like much to me.
ntacyo uvuze
Looks
kuri
can be deceiving.
we uko
It's gonna be
nebishobora
the
kuba
easiest money
byakubeshya
I've ever made.
ndaje nkurangije ugiye gukubitwa wari saza we uravuga ifumbi iraza kubyuka ahubwo ni burwayi cuma bavuga ko agiye gukubita umusaza igihaha cyarafunze igihaha cyafunze umwuka wanga kuva ntuzongere kwibeshya
What?
iki
It's simple. You're dead.
yapfuye
He's not there, huh?
aho hari
I don't know where the hell he went. He went to take the trash out and he never came back.
A new phenomenon seems to be sweeping the
I
internet,
know
and it
it's
seems to
coming.
have something to do with men hunting men. Yes, you heard that right. We do not believe this is real, but we truly cannot say at this
kuri
point.
televiziyo amakuru atangira gucaho abantu barimo barahiga abandi ntabwo leta ibirimo ndetse nta nubwo yizera ni bandi barimo guhiga abandi nabo babahigira
We have to warn you, however, that many of these images are shocking, and we strongly recommend
ikintu twababwira ni uko amwe mu mashusho arimo kuza akanganye tukaba tubabwira ko uyareba ari ku giti cye iyo ni gavamenti inama kirangije ubona umugabo we niwe urimo guca kuri interineti
Why is that on TV?
mama kuki uri televiziyo wijimije kumbe yabonye umugabo we aho babitunganyiriza ngahaza
Going.
Pretty much the way you said it would.
biragenda uko
All
twabyifuje
of them.
Well, we do gotta
kuri
provide
interineti amakuru arimo aragenda ndetse arimo aragera ku
what's out there.
Of course.
Make Dan think it's gonna be easy for him, just for a little while.
Danton mubigire nk'aho biri bumworohere akanya gato
Logan.
uko bimeze
I am. You got a problem with that?
ufite ikibazo kuri ibyo oya
Not at all.
nta na kimwe boss
In fact,
mu by'ukuri
I find it kind of sexy.
ndashaka kuba naguha ibyo ukunda kirabivuga
And perhaps it's time we go inspect the rest of the troops.
ibyo uvuze nibyo tugiye gusuzuma abandi basirikare ntari nabonye kare mu rwiherero kimubwiye ibyo ushaka cyashobora kumugezaho ujye kureba
Won't be disturbed for the next 15 minutes or so.
we mujya mumbwira kijya mbere iminota 15 ushobora gutindaho ugiye gusura abasirikare kuri no mwabaswa kijya gusura izindi ngabo intambara zose ni kimwe nukina umupira bari mu ntambara nta rugamba ruruta urundi nanjye nsobanura mba ndi mu ntambara. Yes, cyagari. Muzehe nawe agiye mu ntambara, Muzehe Campbell Hogan. Kumbe Danton z'umuryango we ugushimuta ukagenda bakakunaga mu gishyamba utazi nahure. Ngabo ngaba baramwigira umuhigo. Bandi muce hakuno. Bas.
Four against one.
Bane kuri umwe.
You're not walking out of here, Danton.
Ntabwo uri buve hano Danton.
And you are?
Wowe.
Yeah.
Ngaho.
Wrong.
Bime. Chuma. Uno umwe. Batatu. Batatu nibo. Nibo basigaye. Danton. Butura kabiri. Yariko simbutura n'ipinjama. Muzehe yarangije ibya gusura abasirikare aragaruka.
You're still good, Danton.
Uracyari umwatari Danton.
Maybe even one of the best ever.
Wagushakira baruta kurusha abandi.
Good enough.
Ntabwo ariko uri mwiza kurusha uko bikeka. Not good enough. Ntabwo uri mwiza cyane nkuko bikeka ahubwo. Ukana ko karasa n'agapfu. Nambi garagara karedo. Kini igikira. Amaso y'inyana bashanyije. Umbe nyuma ye.
Nice day. Too late.
Za późno.
You want to end up like that? Do that, you will.
Chcesz tak skończyć?
The gun.
Bunda has.
Drop the gun.
Bunda has.
Stop shaking.
Rekera ku gutitira. Sengwica.
Not yet, anyway. I want you to take a message to Hogan.
Ndashaka gutwara ubutumwa kuri Hogan.
You tell him.
Umubwire.
Go.
Abiveho.
If he doesn't,
Natabiveho.
everybody is gonna die.
Arapta.
You got that?
Urabyumva?
Yeah, I got it.
Yego.
I got it.
Urabyumva.
And you tell him he's not the only one that had 25 years to get pissed off.
Ubwire ko atari wategereje imyaka 25 kugira ngo ibintu bigende bigenda. Uyu yarabo bamwiciye umugore imyaka 25 irahise. Ntabwo ari wababaye wenyine. Ntabwo ne
What do you want? I need
Nibiki?
to see the colonel.
He's busy.
I need to see the colonel and I need to
Kubona
see him right
Colonel
now.
ari mfite akazi kenshi.
I said he's busy.
But I need to see him now.
Ngiye kumubona nona.
What the hell's going on here?
Ikijambere hano.
Bannon's killing everybody.
Yishe wese
Of
buri
course
wese.
he is, you idiot. What'd you think was gonna happen?
Wacetse ko ari biki bibatari kwicana.
How the hell did you get away?
Wocetse uti.
Dannon gave me a message for you.
Danton yamaye ubutumwa mukusanire.
What are you, his delivery boy?
Niwe ushinzwe gutwara ubutumwa se?
No.
Oya.
No. He was about to kill me then.
Yaragiye kunyica arangije arambwira ngo reka ndeke nk'ubutumwa.
Are you gonna tell me what that message is, soldier?
Wambwira ubwo butumwa bwari bwo wagasirikare we.
to let it go and everyone can just walk away.
Ngo biveho cyangwa buri wese abeho amahoro.
If not,
hanyuma
what?
Iki?
He said we're all gonna die.
Cyangwa ngo twese dupfe.
Of course he said that. What else are you gonna say?
Wumvaga ko yavuga ikindi kisatari ibyo.
Said you're not the only one to have 25 years to get.
Ntabwo ari wababaye imyaka 25 wenyine. Nawe yarababaye mwiciye umugore.
Kill that coward.
Ica ko kagwari. Gwari baragiye. Mugabo ari hano ni ikigome shaho. Hano igisura. Tekeza umuntu ufite isura pipa murusha isura nzima. Uwo muntu abasata.
I want to kill him. Know how good I really am.
Uyu muswa kintu cy'icyana cy'igiswa gusa. Jake.
You really do look just like your brother.
Uzi ko usa neza n'umuvandimwe wawe. Cyane ariko turatandukanye.
Liz, can you fight like your brother?
Warwana n'umuvandimwe wawe?
Oya.
I'm better. Ndamurusha.
Really?
Mu by'ukuri cyane.
Would say we put that to a little test.
Wagusuzuma se.
Fight him.
Rwana n'uriya. Fight him.
This isn't going to be a very fair fight.
Iyi ntabwo ari imirwanire ihwitse kubera Bogis.
Because he's already dead.
Kuko umaye umuntu ya ari umupfu.
Glad to have you with us, Thornton.
Yiza kukubona sha urata muvandimwe wawe kabisa.
That's what I'm here for.
Jeke. Icyo nicyo cyanzanye. Kitwa Jake. Wiki? Pipi nini? Nuko. Gifite igisura. Tekeza umuntu ufite urusura ruto rwa pipi kuba rusa nabi. Uwo muntu abasate. Fight is on.
Move it!
Stand! Move it. Sakumbunda. Yewe! Danton. Bogis. Yeah. Hey. Put it. Hand to hand combat. Niko abyita gukubita. Yewe Danton.
Kaplan.
Kabati. Yitwa cupboard. Kabati. Muzehe Kabati.
Getting a little old for this shit, don't you think?
Urashaje nabwo wakabaye muri uyu mwanda. You're too old for this shit.
Well, things got a little slow in Afghanistan. You know me. I gotta go where the work is.
Ubwo nari nyiva muri Afghanistan nashaka ikintu ndavuga ndireka nze niziye muri iki group.
Not after last time. Tell me about it. Hey, Cap. I really don't want to hurt you.
Ntabwo nshaka kukubabaza pe.
What kind of problem?
Safite ikibazo. Ni ikihe kibazo? Do.
They got cameras here.
Bafite amakamera arimo kuducunga cyane. Niyo mpamvu ugiye kukubabaza.
Okay.
Batavuga ko turimo kugambanira ngo ugiye kukureka.
Somebody's got to get hurt.
Somebody's gonna get hurt. Umuntu agiye kubabara gihita kimubabaza. Danton. Kuri internet no kwa Faustin byagezeyo ku televiziyo twaho abantu barimo barabireba live. Danton.
Where the hell are you, Hogan?
Urinde Hogan uri hehe?
I'm all around, Dad.
Ndakureba hano hose Hogan Danton.
When are you gonna stop sending me your Boy Scouts?
Uragarika ryari kunyohereza abanyeshuri bawe basa nabo barimo kwiga ibyo batazi. Boy Scouts.
All due time, Dan. All due time.
Igihe cyose Danton, igihe cyose.
I think you need a little more exercise.
Nabonye ko ukeneye imyitozo gatoya.
What the hell's that supposed to mean?
Ibyo biravuga iki?
This.
Iki. Bivuze. Bahagaze hose kigabo cyera mu cyumba cyane ateze.
This is almost too easy. It's going right where I want him to go.
Of course he is.
So what do you guys think?
I think Danton's in trouble.
That.
So then the question is, what do we do about it?
What can we do about it?
First thing would be to figure out where he's at, right?
Trace that video feed and figure out where the signal's coming from.
Yeah. Turimo kubona tumenye ahantu za sinyari zirimo guturuka dushobora kubona twatabara umuntu tutanazi. Batangira kwiga uburyo batabara umuntu.
What?
Oh, yeah. Then what?
I don't know, but obviously we need to do something.
Hari ndakeka hari icyo twakora. Barimo rega uburyo batabara umuntu.
That second group of men ready to go? Of course. Get them moving, make sure they know what to do.
Ntiwavuze ko witeguye kugenda cyane. Fata abandi basore muzi cyo gukora.
Does this mean we have a little time to fool around?
Cheka hari ikindi gihe dufite cyo kuba
More time to have fun with Dan.
Sometimes
dufite umwanya wo kubona Danton.
You might be right.
I know it.
What the hell are you looking at?
Wowe urareba iki?
Do your job.
Kora inshingano zawe. Danton.
You must be Hogan, right?
Iwe Hogan.
Yeah, who the hell are you?
I'm Jason. This is Charlie.
Banyita Jason yo ni Charlie.
Show here.
Twakunze imyiyereko mwatugaragarije uraho. Yenda waruzingo. Murashaka iki?
We're just here checking in on our investment, putting a face to the name, so to speak. $5 million is still a lot of money, man.
Look.
Miliyoni enye z'amadolari usa nawe urimo kubona ni menshi ariko twebwe twakongezaho ukabona menshi tukugiye mu byuma byawe tukabikora unikoranabuhanga rihanitse.
That's true, man. We are doing great with it.
So great. We want to talk to you about turning this into a weekly.
Tuzi byo gukora twebwe turabikora neza.
Make many millions, dude.
Wakora miliyoni nyinshi kimudomaho. Mugo yarariwe.
Dude, boy.
Ntabwo ndi mugenzi wanyu mwabyana.
You forget it.
Nimunabyibagirwa.
Show this a one-time event. Once Dan's dead, it's over. Got it?
Ntabwo dushaka gukora imikino miremire. Murumva?
We're not asking you to change anything. Just maybe slow things down so that we can space things out over more time.
Icyo dushaka kubikora twabikora nk'amaseri.
Lots more money.
Faranga kinjira menshi ugakora umukino uyu munsi ejo ukongera ugakora undi buhoro buhoro.
You do anything to get in my way. No amount of money is going to help you anymore. You get my meaning? Do you?
Yes, perfectly.
Now get the hell out of here.
Go hano mugende mwanze ingoma.
Go back to your $6 coffees and enjoy the show. I don't want to see you in here.
Mujya munywera kakao kwanyu. Mureza mukubito sinzonge no kubabona. Ngo bari baje kwaka ikiraka. Cyo gukora kuri derinete. Hey.
What do you need?
Nibiki.
I don't think I can trust those dudes.
Bira byana sinabyizera.
Gary.
Genda ubatunganye. Sawa boss. Box.
I think I got it.
Ndamufite.
Yeah. Okay, check it out.
Navombuye ahantu nari.
This area.
Signal ziraturuka muri aya mashyamba.
From over here?
Yeah.
Hano.
Well, that's not going to tell us where Danton is.
No.
Ntabwo ariko bitugaragariza aho Danton ari.
Area. Okay, see, check out this map.
murebe kuri ikarita.
That's where the signal's coming from.
Aho za signal zituruka.
Right next to this national park.
So he's gonna.
Kumbe ni mashyamba ya leta mwewe ba mukerarugendo bazinduka bajyamo.
What are we waiting for?
Dutegereje iki?
Anyone say road trip?
Twifatira urugendo tujye kureba ko twatabara umuntu. Twerekere. Let's go. Gabicaho. Bajya gutabara umuntu batazi Danton. Kumbe ngo uyu mashyamba. Nambara burakomeye. Mugeze mwiriraho maze gutoragura ibiryo by'imbwa ace kana rini.
Is that light?
Ya nurumurira.
I know exactly what that is.
Biriya bintu nzi byari byo.
I know exactly where he is.
Nzi naho ari. Aya mashyamba iki gisaza cya Hogan cyayabayemo. Mwibuke neza nicyo cyatoje Danton. Abarebye imbutura rimwe yagiye mu biryo by'imbwa mugabo nibyo agiye kurya inzara yari yamukubise. Ubushize yari iminyorogoto arya imbeba ubu arimo ariyahuza ibiryo by'imbwa. Niyo mpamvu rwamamaje rwaririmye ni nk'akabutura arya iminyorogoto ngo ni nk'imbeba ngo niba yaramuriye ibintu nk'ibyo ntazi. Bamukereyeho mugenzi. Mubutura ubu ntabwo akiri imbutura ubu ndakubwira noneho yaje ari ipinjama.
He was here all right.
Yari hano ijoro
We saw
ryacye.
the camera came from.
Tumushakisha hano kamera kuki zitamufasha.
Let's go get him.
Let's go get him tujye kumubona.
Keep in sight.
Eh!
Just remember, no one kills him but me. He's on the move. Go!
Yewe ibi ni iki koko? Migo Danton umugabo yazindutse mu gitondo ntabwo yarazi ko bizabaho. Yakekaga ko ibi byarangiye kumba abagabo bagarutse mugenzi wagize nabi rimwe na rimwe niyo mpamvu abanyarwanda baca umugani wa kabaye icwende.
Playing with us.
Shut up. Let's go, move it.
Arimo aradukinisha fongo mudamo wawe mukurikire kumbe dore cya kintu gisa n'urukuru rwacyo. Mwibuka mu mbutura igice cya mbere narwo rwambaraga imikara. Ibivandimwe zibiri. Sengo niwe mbonye. Gongo. Yo.
I killed you.
Narakwish.
You're dead.
Not as dead as you're going to be.
Ugiye kubona kutegeza onyeje. Gato. Kumbe. Ikesi cyakintu uruni. N'uruvandimwe rwo yishe. Eh! Bogisi. Pompo umuntu. Pombo y'igare. Pombo y'igare. Eh! Pompa. Pombo y'igare. Pombo y'igare. Pompo umuntu. Pombo y'igare. Hey.
Don't do it.
Wibikora nuko mukuru wacu bamukasurutwa.
Don't do it though.
Wibikora musirikare.
We killed your brother.
Ndabizisha umuvandimwe wawe.
Hell, you're entitled to it. You'll get it. Not here.
Urimo urashaka kwihura ariko sinona si hano.
Brother
Oba
was a faithful soldier to me.
Vandimwe yari umusirikare wanyumviraga. Urumva?
Obey an order. What about you?
Wowe uranyumvira cyangwa? What about you? Cyendaga kumukata urutwe nkuko nawe yakase muvandimwe wacu mutwe.
Well.
Byiza.
What will we do with you now?
Dukorera icyo umuntu nkawe. Bogisi. Akindi cyabaye bagiye kumufunga.
The big hero.
Wigeze ntwari komeye. Ku giti cyawe. Danton.
Man who thinks he's the best. Well, he sure don't look like the best right now, do he? No, he sure don't.
Urakeka ko byakugerekera nga cyagiye sibyo?
Because there's only one best. That'd be me. He knows it. I know it. And all you out there know it.
Ubu hari umuntu umukuzi ni jewe.
How will the great Mike Denton?
Michael Danton.
Should involve torture, perhaps? Oh, that'd be fun right there. Should I drag it out and make his last moments as miserable as possible?
Nta kintu kibabaza nk'iminota ya nyuma ndetse n'ibihe bya nyuma.
To the head? Quick and easy like. I want to hear from you.
Shaka kumva ibyawe.
Your emails, or titters, or whatever you people do out there now these days. And let me know.
Urashaka abantu baraza kubaza ngo niki twakoraga muri iyi minsi twabikoreraga he? Danton. Yo kirimo kiramubariza kuri televiziyo nta nubwo azaho kiri. Kumbe durabazindutse ngo bagiye gushaka ko bafasha umuntu batazi.
Well, that's not exactly what I'm talking.
Tugeze turimo turerekerayo mwana, turimo turerekerayo kabisa. Ni hano hafi tu. Umva man, ni hafi tu. Mivugire ni ya nkongoro ngo nabanyamugi ibintu by'inyamirambo rwose ugiye narumiwe. Komeza tugende man. Umva niga.
How are we supposed to do that?
How's somebody turamutabara?
Guns or anything, you know?
Any way we could.
Nta buryo bwari bwose dufite twatabaramo umuntu. Turabikora uko dushoboye.
Yeah, okay.
Sawa.
That's cool, I guess.
Dukomeze ndacheka.
So you're Mike Danton.
Niwe Michael Danton.
After all the fuss, I would have thought you'd be bigger.
Nachetse kuri munini kurushaho.
Out is how you managed to kill all the colonel's men all those years ago.
Wisha abagabo ba colonel na ya myaka yahise.
Maybe I just got lucky.
Ari nabaye munyamahirwe. Oya.
Wasn't luck.
Ntabwo yari amahirwe.
Be good to beat Hogan and you damn near killed him.
Ugomba kumura umwanga kuba arahanganye na Hogan n'ingabo ze ndetse nawe ushobora.
And I'm going to kill you.
Nawe ndamwica ubwo nawe nkwica.
Oh really?
Nibyo se? Really? Tamukandagira ku ntuza karivuna. We hari ibintu bijya bivunika ariko intuzi yivunitse intuzi ivi kararivuna.
But I'm still going to.
Ndakwica nimo kuvuga karakandagira. We.
And I'm really gonna enjoy watching you die.
Ndaza kunezezwa no kukubona urimo gupfa reka nongere ngikandagire ingasire yivi. Ndavuga ingasire yingiyo mwivi. Hakandagiye ingasire.
Don't have the time.
Wa muswa. Igihe kiracyari cyo kukwica dore kurusa. Gasukusuku. Ibyo bintu iyo bitutse yakuntorya arababara kandi ni kwase. Hawe wamubwira uti yakuza uragasukusuku aturanutse yaramitanye. Kabwa kirimo kugenda kirongera kiragaruka Danton aracyafunze. Mumeno iri kambwe baraziranye kuva zamani. Muze yaje kwishakira ikiraka. Ufunga mucuti we n'ikiraka nawo bihuriye.
What are you doing here?
Kora cyane.
Since you let me live, I couldn't take off. I had to do something for you, buddy. You sure you want to do this? Damn right I do. So guys, we gotta stick together. That's all we got, Mike.
Tugomba kugumana kugira ngo ube wavana amahoro. Ibyo nibyo ufite. Nibwo bufasha nago. Vano tugende Mike. Niko bimeze.
Let's go.
Tugende.
Hey Chief. You seen the colonel? I need to talk to him.
Nobona colonel ndashaka kuvuga nawe. Ari mu biro. Ari muri command center.
Where's that?
Hey.
Over there.
Hurry.
Oh shit. Is it clear? Yeah, come on, let's go.
Natunganye undati cyane ngwino tugende.
Hey guys. Am I gonna light? No.
Hey. Bas.
Hey, I forgot something.
Wewe wibagiwe akantu. Bas.
A bitch!
Muska!
Damn!
Get Danton!
Move out! Come on!
Tugende sha. Mugabo yarahiye asigara ikintu kimeze nk'ikibonde. Ikintu cy'igifupa Apache. Ndege zigezweho, helicopter igezweho Apache.
What do you want?
Shaka you. Whoa. What
happened?
Bitch.
The asshole helped Dan escape.
Judges what you find the Danton on a cheek.
Son of a bitch!
Zemwongeramo dore isura nakubwiye umuntu urutwa na pipo ubwiza ubabasate kandi pipi nawe ugasa nabi. Niba ari umuntu ufite agasura gakanganye kuri dunia ya Mungu pipi ni uwa mbere. Ariko arabiza ajya yivugira ngo zikonsa n'akanyamasyo.
I'm taking the men with me, going after myself.
Buri wese nugufata intwaro command center nubwo bayisiga nta muntu urimo nugukurikira Danton ku giti cye. Hanyuma wowe.
Sure.
Ukora ibishoboka ku buryo turi bumufate.
And I'll kill you.
N'umunyamahirwe kuba na.
Love it when you get angry.
Ndabikunda iyo urakaye.
Damn it! Move out!
Nawe nugufashe uko bishoboye. Dore uko kasi. Danton. Shamba muze arayinjiriye. Hogan. Mbutura kabiri. Danton, Michael, deadliest prey. Umuhigo muburu usumbye izindi kuba mubi cyane. Iruko ridashira. Hey! Ningi mbuturi ry'iminyorogoto uyu munsi ni pinjama irimo kubapima. Paya. Irakurura kiguma gihagaze wajya tubajyaho ni igikenyeri. Bas. Uyahagaraga mu biti. Ndi nawe kunapima wajyaho ni ikintu cy'igiti kiraho cy'igipoto. No nakubusha gica. sekuru pipi pipi n'amaje ariko se pipi ukomoka ngo menya ari muri Ghana cyangwa ndi ikive hejuru yarumiwe imbuto ry'iminyorogoto ningi butura iry'imbeba.
This guy's good.
Yeah, so I've heard.
Bapfu wabaye abapfu.
He's close.
Ari hafi.
Good.
Byiza. Tugire. Fight! Buna mu kirere kan mugabo watojwe. Aya! Yasamye nka nkongoro. Nkongoro yapimwe umuhogo uyu ni mu gahanga. Mugira nabyumvise. Bajya gusanga isasu rivugiye ureba basuka kuntu babaye. Hari iyo umuntu akora gigabo nk'umukongomani ugahita usubira inyuma. Rivugiye hakurya ukakata hakuno. Uri gukora nk'abantu baturuka muri Repubulika Iharanira Abaturage bazamburi. Eri kugira imbere ugaca inyuma. Barishoye kumbe bagiye kwa. Hey!
Are we?
I don't know. I'm still waiting on Kid Genius over here to tell me where to go.
Hey, you know, I'm working as fast as I can. If either of you think you can do a better job, have at it.
Ako se turamenya ari he ndimo ndakora bishoboka nanjye byihuse. Turimo tuyagendaho mwambwe sinyari zituruka.
Business.
Mana nyangasa ni cyamfasha tukagenda uriya muntu amaze kuba umustar ari kuri internet ari ahantu hose urumva kunyabwanda.com ariho. Ngo wabikubitiye kudapima ibigabo. Nako ntibigeze babikubitira kudapima. Faya. Moto! Kicyare kuye rimwe cyaje ki.
You think you got him?
Uramupimiye?
Of course I did.
Cyane ndabikoze.
Move out!
Mujere. Kirabura bavugisha uko hari umuntu aravuga iminwe gatitira ukavuga ubusa. Na pipi iyo yabonye yagatangira kuvuga ubusa yatitiye gusa. Ya, munzira. Kumbe dore bya byane byari bice kumutabara bitamuzi.
Don't shoot, please, don't shoot.
Wirasa turakwingi.
That's him. That's Mike Danton.
When Mike Danton.
It is.
Yeah, with Danton.
Ow.
I'm Steven, that's Frankie, and this is Candy Girl in back.
Then it was Steven when Frank Korea ni Candy Girl.
We came out here to help you.
You've been watching it all on the internet and...
Okay, now listen to me. You move the hell out of here before you get yourselves killed. You understand me?
Yeah,
we know. Jump in the car. Come with us.
It's
not a good idea.
Car!
Go!
Get!
We got Mike Danton in the car with us. How...
Gets.
Hi again.
Bikobwa no kubona abastari bijya nkubitana naby'inyamirambo bikajebeka nkabireba nkamwe.
Floyd!
Namabera leta. Musa gato je cyarabahaye.
We got lucky.
Tubaye abanyamahirwe. We got lucky. Bikobwa bibonye abastari. Haje bijebeka amabera karereta nayo akajebeka. Ukumirwa.
You know, because about an hour or so, I'll have something he's damn gonna want. What's that? Let's get back to camp, I'll show you.
Hey man, we got shot at!
Yeah, with Mike Danton in the car!
We bari baraturashe. Abantu bakuze fresher mugira. Yitangiye barwana uri murajya.
Wait here.
tegereza hano tegereza hano akatuye nyumba ni mu rugo we're here ya gikobwa nacyo giteye nk'imuruturo wajya ni farasi yicaye hariya niko urakora iki wanjye
Really? Where's my wife and son?
umwana wanjye n'umugore bari
I thought that would have been more than obvious.
ntago ari bisanzwe nkwereka ko tactics technique bakoresheje kubona D'Antoni byose ni kimwe n'imyitozo kimukoreraho kumbe yaciyemo kera bari hano bame tuvugana
I got your woman, Danton.
mfite umugore wawe D'Antoni
Hogan, you and me.
biri hagati yanjye nawe
Oh, it is between us.
biri hagati yacu
It's always been between us.
yahoze hagati yacu
It's just part of it.
gusa nabo babirimo
Family, Hogan. And I'll make you pay
Hogan
ways you can't even begin to imagine.
nuramuka ukoze ku muryango wanjye uraza kwishyura mu buribwe utigeze unakeka
Like I tell you.
reka nkubwire
Otherwise, I'll do all sorts of evil things to this little bitch.
igikobwa cyawe kirababazwa n'ibindi bugikore nanjye
You hear me, boy?
uranyumva gahungu we
Yeah, loud and clear.
ndakumva cyane
You meet me tomorrow at dawn. You and I will have it out.
duhura umunsi w'ejo mu gitondo njye nawe tubirangiza uranyumva I'll be there ndaza kuba mpari ugomba
You're stupid like that.
uri umuswa bimeze bityo salama bitch niko cyavuze uko mvuze niko cyavuze
It's gonna be a lot of fun to watch you die.
bigiye kunezeza nk'ubona upfa yegwe kubita telefoni yako bagisi siki
You're gonna be sorry you did that.
uzasaba imbazi bigiye gukobiza ibyo ukoze
I don't think so.
ahubwo reka nkwereke n'ibindi
Holy shit.
umwanda wera umva iki nacyo ngo holy shit hari umwanda wera ubaho
I told you guys to wait
we
outside.
nababwiye mutegeze hanze
Yeah, I know, man. I know. I just thought maybe we could help.
naketse ko wadi wowe wifuza ubufasha
This. I found him creeping around out in front of the house.
akana nagasanze karimo kurunguruka inyuma y'inzu Mike Pryor kumva akana kitwa Mike Pryor nakana k'umugabo Ted Pryor
Safe, okay? Well, like we get mom.
yiswe Mike Pryor
You guys okay with that?
I was hoping we could help you a little more than that.
Listen to me.
uyu mwana mwamufashiriza mukaba muri kumwe twatekerezaho twagufasha birenze
Somewhere safe.
mwana muto reka kujyana ahantu harinzwe sibyo
Yeah, you got it.
urabifite turabigukorera ariko niba ushaka n'abakomando twanagufasha biturage biraho wajyaho n'icyaje poli n'urusatsi bibi gusa ukweto binukamo za karuboni
who've been watching my little game. Today is a day you don't want to miss.
Mw'abantu mwe mwese mwakurikiranaga imikino yanjye uyu munsi mutari buhombe. Ni umunsi.
The man that left me out there to die.
Umugabo wansaze kugira ngo
his due.
Ahori buhure n'ukuzimu kwe. Kuko jye navuyemo kwanjye. Murumva mwa baturage mwe bicyura kuri interineti. Mwoka pam. Nuko.
You can count on that right there.
Muraza kubara uyu munsi niwo wanyu. Igisura naguye pipi buriya. Uyu amurusha kuzeba hano abariko barenda guhuza. Yewe. Yego boss.
Let's do this.
Reka tubikore. Let's do this.
Let's go, honey. Time to have some fun.
Tujyane mukundwa ni igihe cyo kwinezeza.
Going to kill you.
Arabica.
Yeah, right. I've heard that before.
Gupfa. Nigeze mpaho na mbere. Genda tugende. Danton. Mbutura kabiri. Deadly pray. Deadly pray. The deadliest pray. Oh.
You two stay with her. You spot Dan. Even think he's in the area.
Mwebwe mugumane nawe mubonye Danton. Hari igihe wagira ngo ni ikintu kiturutse mu kuzimu kikazamuka gusa. Itonde.
I've killed more people than cancer.
Raka. Danton. Umwe. Gahanga. Navunikiramo.
He's close.
Ari hafi.
He's close.
Ari hafi cyane. He's close.
Stay close.
Mungume hafi. Mungume hafi cyane.
Get that son of a bitch! Move!
Christ!
Serese tugese ibi urupfure ibi.
Shut up!
Funga umunwa. Bose aramwihera. Sarama basta. Nakuruye.
He's out of ammo.
Arashiriwe.
You ready?
Biteguye.
I was born ready.
Bazani abahungu bawe biteguye je wimbaza ibyo. Out of ammo. Chao kumbe iteguriye karizindi. Bastard. Stupid. Baswa gusa. Bezi ngo yashiriwe kumbe burahagera. Arabishyira muri target yagiye yibikira mu ndagenze igiye hose. Faya. Irakurura. Butura. Bas.
We'll take her. You go out there and get after Danton.
If you do, you're gonna die.
Shut up! Get moving!
Baramutandukanye. Waye genda ujya guhiga Danton nugenda urapfa.
Don't worry.
Nugera ikibazo.
Few short moments, you and your husband will be joined together forever.
Iyo tugiye kubona bizatunezeza iteka.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah, man, I'm thinking what you're thinking.
Uratekereza ibyo ntekereza naye ndatekereza ibyo utekereza.
Let's go, man.
Dusubire inyuma oya tujye imbere. Wowe uratekereza ibyo ntekereza nari nibeshye.
Danton! Danton!
Naebe.
Got your wife, Danton.
Umugore wawe Danton. Subira inyuma. Got your wife Danton. Danton!
You better come and get her.
Better come and get her.
Die!
Biruta nuko aza kumubona cyangwa apfa.
Danton!
Danton!
Danton, you hear me, boy?
Anyumva wa mwana we.
Better come and get her.
Mubone.
I'll skin this bitch alive, Danton. I swear to God I will. You hear me? You know I'll kill her, Danton. Just like the last time. I swear to God I'll kill her. You're gonna curse the day you met me, boy. I'm gonna kill her, Danton. You got one more chance, Danton. I'll kill her. You know I will. I'm gonna kill her. Danton!
Danton!
Kill her.
Mukich.
Shut up.
Tataka.
Please don't. Please.
Twinginse.
No!
What? Kumbakana ka Danton. Michael. Pryor. Hayo kwa kwikiga bagiye kugu. Karaga kumbe boss yavanye igihoro. Boss mupagasi. Niboko. Yes. One by one. Mwe kuundi. Hey!
You okay?
It's okay.
Listen, I'm sorry for dragging you into my mess. Once and for all.
You
You take care of your mom, okay?
sibyo akagabo gatoya gahaye uburenganzira bwo kujya kurinda mako.
I'm right here, Hogan.
Yano Hogan. I'm right here, Hogan.
Didn't even bring a gun.
This man to man.
Recruits. Try to teach them something, and they go start thinking for themselves. You know damn different, Danton.
Just thought you'd want the satisfaction after all those years in prison.
You're right. Just don't get what you want.
Danton!
Danton!
Hey, that's Hogan!
What the
hell's this, Dan?
Back up.
You shouldn't have come here.
He's right, you know. You shouldn't have.
Nothing to do with this, Hogan.
Oh. Fuck them. Your turn, Dan. I'm gonna kill you, you son of a bitch!
Ukareba abantu bakambye ubusura nka ba pipi n'abangaba bose hari igihe kigira gutyo ukabona kibaye nk'imimbi ubwoba bukabitaha.
You're not getting out of this time.
Ntabwo uri bubivemo kuri inshuro.
I got news for you, Hogan.
Mufitiye amakuru Hogan.
Already have.
Niko bimeze. Mwanda igipanga imana kimwe hakurya ikindi hakurya cyane pfo gitukana ayo data we imana ishimwe we ayiga we yewe cyapfuye kinavuga ibigambo bibi hapfuye kigitukana umbe ayo we abaturage ibyishimo bwari bwose shaho nayo the prior ibintu yabirangije once and for all binako yavuze cyagihe abwira umugore we ati ibintu biraza kurangira once and for all.